Hello, Internet. I have decided to take a foray into metal casting, if that's the right word, and I picked up what they call the Devil Forge burner, small model, D, I think, and I made for myself a kitty litter and cement kiln, and I did my first casting today. There was a effort getting here. I also picked up green sand. Now this is going to work in conjunction with my 3D printer. And I printed this model a while ago, sanded it down, painted it blue, because I had blue paint, but also to make it slick so that it doesn't stick to the sand too much. And this is the model I had printed. I was hoping to get my first cast done properly in aluminum to make a Stirling engine. This would be the heat exchange part. And today I cast, and my first cast was almost a success. It really worked well. I am quite pleased with it. This is aluminum, solid aluminum. I can see some design problems, like up here it didn't quite work. There's some bubbles, so I have to add a bit more flux. Some bubbles here. But everything else worked fairly well. I'm quite happy with it. And my kids are quite excited because now they have all kinds of ideas and I have all kinds of ideas. Yeah, so this is good, and I'm going to hope to do some things on the channel. And that's slag. That's the cast-off slag. It's quite warm still. This I had in a bucket of water. That's the gunk. Thank you for checking this out. Hopefully this will expand on the channel and you'll be able to join me on a journey of adventure and misadventure. Thank you.